ViVO S, 2 verses, nothing. Phone 4, a Pro.
Display.
Display size. Display type. Resolution. PPI density. Refresh rate. Screen-to-body ratio. Brightness. Protection. Ratio. Next, in hand feel. For the latest mobile comparisons, reviews, and tech updates, don't forget to subscribe. Gram, thickness, back and frame, resistance. Next, platform, OS and UI, chipset, CPU, GPU, and 2 score. Storage variants. RAM type and storage type. Hard slot. Next, camera. Video recording. Front camera. Video recording. Next, battery. Battery Amex. Wired and wireless charging. Next, connectivity. Fingerprint and face lock. Bluetooth. NFC support. USB cable type. Network. Headphone jack. Speaker. Wi-Fi. SIM card. Next, price. Who is winner?